po, stay focused lang po. And kasi po yung isa pang nasa phone ko is laging meron ako dun sa baba na remember why you started. So, bakit ka ba nag-start ng journey na to? So, lagi ko po yung nababasa. Everyday ko nababasa. So, bakit nga ba? So, marami po tayong, iba-iba tayo ng reasons. So, always remember why you started this NCLEX journey po. So, yun lang po yun yung
Oh,
lagi niyang tandaan kasi para saan nga ba yung NCLEX, di ba? Para sa pamilya, sa lahat, para sa sarili mo. So, yun yung maging goal mo para maging inspiration mo for you to pass the NCLEX. Gawin mo inspiration yun.
morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to IPAS Online Review and Mentoring Academy. My name is John, and I'll be your host for tonight. Here at Hope Talk, we invite successful IPAS online review candidates and NCLEX to share their wonderful stories and learnings from their journey in achieving the goals of becoming registered nurses in the USA, Canada, and Australia. The NCLEX is not just an exam. It's a rite of passage into the world of healthcare. Today, we celebrate someone who has faced this challenge with courage and determination. Her success is an inspiration to us all and a reminder that the future of nursing is in good hands. With that, I would like to introduce to you our newest NGN passer and one of the Health Carousel scholar, Miss Adela Ortiz, USRN.
Hello po,
Very
good
clear po.
evening po. Good evening po to all the future USRNs here po.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for attending our Hope Talk tonight.
It's a privilege po na makapag-share po ng experiences po
Yes,
this
and
NCLEX journey po, sir.
we really cannot wait kung ano ang napagdaanan natin sa journey na ito. But before
Ah,
we start, ma'am, can you share po more of your educational background, your working experiences leading up to NCLEX
okay po.
preparation?
So, I graduated po year 2007 po at University of Perpetual Help po, Las Piñas po, campus. So, after po nun, I started working at De La Salle University Medical Center for 7 years po, from 2008 to 2015 as sa operating room complex pa as actually nare-rotate po kasi pero most of the time po I was on duty po as neonatal ICU nurse po, NICU nurse po. After 2015 po, I resigned. I started working po as a private duty nurse po for 3 years. So, nung namatay po si patient, so I started working again in the hospital. Same hospital po. I went back to De La Salle. And then I started naman po as a labor and delivery nurse po for about a year. And then po, currently, from 2019 at present po, so I don't have any bedside experience po from 2019 again. So, I'm a clinical safety nurse po in clinical trials po. Yun po, ang aking for present work po.
Thank you so
I'm a
much
safety nurse.
for sharing, Ma'am Adela. Can you share more about yung clinical safety nurse? Is it in a
It's a
corporate
project based
setting?
po. Opo. Parang ganun po siya. Kasi kung naririnig niyo po yung mga CROs po, may mga sponsors po tayo. So, lahat po kagaya po ng mga vaccines na nilalabas. So, tinetest po namin siya. We conduct po, parang ano po kami ng mga subjects na para i-test yung vaccine. So, yung current vaccines po namin is flu. The last time po is
Mm.
the COVID po eh. This vaccines from China po. So marami talaga silang nilabas na vaccine para matest at para malabas sa market. Pero hindi ko po sure kung gaano ka yung results po from other countries kung okay din. Marami na po din po dito kasi sa atin sa Philippines nag-clinical trials po. So sa Manila area po, PGH. So nagko-conduct din po sila ng mga clinical trials po. So dun po ngayon na ano yung path ko. Nasa clinical trials po ako. So for almost, 5 years na yata.
5 years,
So,
yeah.
po. So, yun po. So, yun po ang current ano. Okay naman po siya kahit project-based.
Okay. Thank
Yun
you
po.
for sharing, ma'am, na at least
Mhm.
mga nanonood po may awareness kung ano ibig sabihin nun. But how did you,
Opo.
ano po, you were under Health Carousel Scholar po, no? How did you find out Health
Yes po.
Carousel?
Parang 2020 po. Matagal na po siya eh. So, hindi pa po ba nag-ano ng NCLEX? Parang nag-ano na yung health carousel sa akin po. Na ang
Po?
nangyari ko po kasi, so, actually po sa lahat ng magte-test, it was my second time na po to take the NCLEX. So, sa mga nawawala ng hope dyan, there is a hope. So, kaya yan. Ano lang talaga, tsagain. tsaka dasal talaga. So, 2022 po yan, I started mag-ano ng NCLEX ko, ayos, and then November of 2022 po, nag-take ako. So, yung first attempt ko nga po, so unfortunately, I didn't pass po. So, hindi ko na po sasabihin yung review center ko. Pero, hindi po ako nakapasa ng first take ko. So, sabi, siguro baka hindi para sa akin. So, a year po, wala talaga akong ginawa. Wala akong, siguro parang nawalan po ako hindi naman ng gana, pero nag-iisip-isip pa, sabi ko, sana, siguro, bakit ganon, bakit ganito, maraming doubts. So, wala po akong move na ginawa. Very thankful po ako kasi after a year of 2023 naman, actually November din po. So, parang napaka-memorable nung November. November is, nag-ano po ang Health Carousel. Very grateful po ako sa kanila na queen po rin akong one of their scholars. So sabi ko po, pumili daw po ako ng review center. So sabi ko po, I'll go with iPass na lang po. So November din po nag-start yung review. Parang yung cycle po, it started November 20 if I'm not mistaken po. Parang birthday ko pa yun nag-start yung parang orientation November 20 of 2023.
Nice.
So yun ang sabi ko, baka ito na rin yung sign, sabi ni Lord na baka kaya pa. Isa pang kaya pa. Bigyan pa ako ng chance. So, may nagtitiwala pa sa'yo. So, bigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo. So, after po noon, so, nag-review po ako. Actually po kasi nagsasabay ko yung work. So, karamihan naman din po siguro ganun. Hindi ko po talaga napapanood yung live lecture. So, recorded lang po ako lagi. And then, if I have time, yung mga drills po. So, nagsasagot po ako noon. So, there is a time na po na parang inano na po ako na I should take the assessment exam na po. Take to sit for me and NCLEX na date na po. So, grateful naman po na pasa ko naman yung assessment and then yun na nga po, in-schedule na po nila ako ng exam for October 7 po. So, after po nun kasi in-advising po ako ng iPass yung coach ko po, tsaka po ng Health Carousel na mag-avail din po ng UWorld from
Mm.
iPass din po. So, yun po, review po din po ako ng UWorld para din po medyo ma-practice on how you will kasi alam niyo naman po ngayon, ano na nga yung computer, paano ko mag-ano, lahat po, di ba? So,
Mm.
dapat medyo aware ka din sa mga ganong bagay. So, October 7, 10:45 in the morning po yung ano ko, yung exam ko. So, yun po, nag-review lang naman po ako. So, actually po, hindi po ako nagre-review sa house. Sa work lang po talaga ako nag-review the whole time of wala po akong review sa bahay.
Wow.
At, kasi po nga, parang yung work ko po kasi nga is not naman at bedside. So, I have the time to review at work po pag wala ng patients, pag wala ng doctor. So, alam din po yung mga co-workers ko, hindi nila ako ginugulo pag alam nila nagre-review ako. Sabi ko, hayaan nyo na akong mag-review. Last ko na to. Lagi ko
Ah,
sinasabi sa kanila. Tapos yun, okay naman siya po. So, hindi naman ako nagkano. Pero ang twist po dun kasi hindi alam ng family ko at my husband, alam nila na mag-take ako ng exam. So, parang
ah.
nalaman lang nila po nung October 5, it's birthday po ng husband ko. Sabi niya, simba tayo sa Padre Pio. Kasi from Cavite ako. So, if you familiar po kayo kay Padre Pio, it's in Batangas. Sabi niya, simba tayo. Tapos, doon ko na lang po sinabi na mag-exam na ako na October 7. Sabi niya, bakit di mo sinasabi sa akin? Sabi ko, wala lang. Parang gusto ko lang i-keep sa self ko. Para kung halimbawa hindi ako pumasa, di sa akin na lang. So, masyado po akong, parang yung anxiety ko kasi second day ko na parang fresh ko. So, yun lang po talagang baon ko is dasal talaga po. So, one of the advice din po sa akin is parang to book ang malayo pa sa testing area mo. Kasi yung first time kasi ako nag-take is nagbiyahe pa ako from Cavite to Makati, parang 3 a.m. gising na ako. So parang bago pa ako makarating dun, sobrang stress na ako sa traffic, sa lahat,
Mm.
lalo na ng pinagdaanan ko. So kung yung mga nanonood po today, parang mas okay po talaga na you book a place where you can stay para wala kang stress, yung isip mo, yung physically okay ka, parang relax ka pag nag-exam ka, makakatulong po talaga siya. It really help you. Yun po. So, I don't know kasi po kung naniniwala pa yung mga tao sa science, pero parang nung day na talaga na yun, parang ang daming sign ni Lord na sana parang siguro papasa ka na. Kasi po,
Ah,
sa phone ko, there is a wallpaper na parang Na parang ang sabi is, God knows the right time for everything. Soon, everything will fall in its right places. So, inalarm ko yung phone po ng 6 a.m. ng October 7. So, nag-alarm siya. Pagkita ko sa wallpaper yun, sabi ko, sa'yo na po ba ito, Lord? Sabi ko, sana naman po kung ito po ay sign. Basta po, gagawin ko po ang lahat. Samahan niyo lang po ako. Yun po. So sabi ko, di okay na. So siguro naman malapit lang po yung testing area ko po. Siguro 10 to 15 minutes po. Pero ang twist pa, naligaw po yung pag Makati, di ba po, pag isang turn mali, iikot ka
Mm.
ulit.
Ikaw.
So nakadalawang ikot pa kami. Sabi ko, kuya naman, mag-exam po ako. So nakarating naman ako on time. So ang dami mga ganong little bit na hustle,
Stress.
stress. Pero nakarating naman po ako ng payapa sa testing area. So, yung another sign ko po kasi is that yung locker number na binigay is the day din ng exam ko. Sabi ko,
Ah.
sakto talaga, 7. Sabi ko, baka sign po talaga to Lord na sabi ko, ang lakas ng paniniwala ko. Tapos yung last sign po is, yung nandun na ako sa loob ng testing center is yung number 21 po. Yung number 21, yung computer number ko po is the favorite number talaga ng husband ko. So sabi ko, sana naman to computer na to, ibigyan ako ng sagot na alam, ay tanong na alam ko.
Ah,
Sabi ko po, ayun po, nag-start na ako magsagot, una po nagdasal po talaga ako. Actually po, nung nagre-review ako, tsaka sinasabi naman po na dapat talaga maging prepared ka to answer 150 questions po. So, yung mindset ko talaga po, I'll answer 150 po. So, nag-exam na ako. So, kasi po parang feeling ko nung first exam ko, hindi ko rin siya ganun, sineryoso. Parang, siguro, nape-pressure ako sa time. So, ngayon po talaga, I see to it na parang basahin ko yung question, wag akong magmadali na lumipat sa next question. So, yun po yung ginawa ko. Tapos nagsasagot na ako. And then, nagsasagot ako parang 84, parang nagsata, 85, 83, nagsata, 84, hindi. Tapos 85 tumigil, sabi ko, naiiyak ko para yung mata ko. Sabi ko, Lord, sabi ko, sarili ko po talaga, sabi ko, Lord, sana po binigyan niyo pa ako ng chance. Sabi ko, parang kasi feeling ko po yung answer ko ay hindi pa sapat. Sabi ko, sana po, konti pa, para meron pa akong masagot na mas tama.
ah,
Yun po yung nasa isip ko. So, ganun kataas po yung anxiety ko. Sabi ko, kasi real talk naman po, hindi naman masabi yung 85 ay pwedeng pass, pwedeng fail. So, sabi ko, bahala na. Basta, ginawa ko po yung best ko. Alam kong sinamahan po ako ni Lord. I get up to Him na lang po talaga. So, yun na po, natapos na yung exam ko. Nag-message po ako sa iPass, dun sa coach ko, pati sa Health Carousel. Sabi ko po, tapos na po ako ng exam. So, yun, ang waiting time po talaga ay nakakabaliw. So, taas ng anxiety level. Parang 3 days ako hindi nakakausap ng matino ng anak ko, ng asawa ko. So, ang twist pa po kasi nung October 10 na po, hindi tinawagan po ako actually health carousel na po yung nag-ano sa akin nag-inform po. Tapos, pero inform din naman po ako via email ng iPass. Sabi niya, Adela, kamusta ka? Sabi ko, okay naman po, ma'am. Kinakabahan po. Ano po ba? Hindi niya pa po sinasabi sa akin. Parang, sabi
nagpa-thrill.
ko, sabi niya, actually, kailangan mo mag-take ng exam ulit. Sabi ko, talaga po, ma'am. Sabi ko, ano po ba? Ay, bagsak po ba? Ganyan. Di, naiiyak na po talaga kasi naiiyak na ako. Sabi niya, hindi. Kailangan mo mag-take ng English test.
Hmm.
So, yun na po talaga nawala na yung pagdibdib ko. So, lahat po talaga ay napaka buti po talaga ni Lord. Parang, kung hindi man po binigay sa akin ng first day ko ay sabi nga po nila ay mas sweeter daw in the second time around. Mas
Hmm.
mas na-feel ko yung So, very grateful po ako sa IPA, sa lahat po ng concepts na nabigay nila sa akin, sa lahat po ng instructors po. Napaka big help po nila. Talagang dapat po kasi talaga nga, may alam ka talaga sa concept po. Kasi parang, pag wala kang foundation nun din, parang malulost ka eh. Pag alam mo yung pinaka-foundation ng isang bagay, kahit bali-balik na rin ba yun, kahit ano pang iba't isang questions, you can answer the question in right away po, di ba po? So, marami pong salamat sa iPass for all the teachers po and instructors po na ano nila na ibigay nila po sa akin sa journey ko po ng NCLEX. Meron po akong kasi sa Bible na isang verse na sabi dito is, we can make our plans, but the Lord determines our steps. So, Sa mga future USRN po, ang aking lang pong maiipayo sa inyo is we should always remember that God's plan is always perfect po for us. So, yung lahat ng delays in our plans are not denials of His purpose. Kanya-kanyang time lang yan. Magsashine din tayo sa tamang oras at sa tamang panahon. At eventually po, lahat po tayo ay magkakaroon ng US visa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yun po. Yun po, maraming pong salamat. Yun lang po. Padayon po to all our future USRN. Kayang-kaya po yan. Kung nakaya ko po, kaya niyo pong lahat yan. Kung nag-give up na kayo, alam ko po kasi ako po may time mag-review kasi hindi po ganun ka-hectic. Pero dun po sa iba na pinagsasabay, yung may anak, may lahat po, may career, lahat madaming struggles. Kaya niyo po yan. Basta unahin lang din po natin si Lord. Kaya po natin yan. At sabayan ng sipag at tiyaga po. In the end, lahat po yan ay ma-reap natin para sa ating din po. Para, unang-una po ay para sa pamilya po yan.
I can still feel,
Po.
ma'am, yung shakiness ng voice nyo
Opo,
because I
naiyak
think up
ako.
until now, it's still, parang cloud nine yung feeling.
Opo.
You cannot believe what happened of
Hmm,
the result, no?
yes
Talagang,
po.
although
Naiyak
we are
ako.
expecting for past results, but yet,
Yes po.
I know you're just being humble na parang nung time na yon, you know you're gonna pass. But you're just making sure by that time, yung mga waiting time na yon, I know it's difficult
Opo.
because we all gone through po, from that path na rin. And we
Opo,
are so
sir.
happy with your achievement talaga, Ma'am
Maraming pong
Adela.
salamat po. Thank you po, Sir Chan.
But you have mentioned po, this is your second time around.
Yes
So
po.
you
This
believe
is
in
my
second
second.
chances.
Yes po. Second chance. At talaga pong maraming salamat po kasi sabi ko nga, may nagtitiwala sa iyo. Kanya sabi ko, pagtiwalaan mo yung sarili mo, na kaya mo yan.
Yes, that's true. We may not all experience yung first time na to pass the exam, but again, I
Opo.
always believe that we all have timeline.
Yes
We
po.
have our own timeline. And God only knows when is the right time for you.
Yes po. Tama
But
po,
during
sir.
those times po na Ma'am Adela,
Yes
was
po,
there
sir.
any biggest fear before taking the NCLEX the second time around? And how did you overcome those challenges?
Actually po, yung fear ko talaga is baka mag-fail na naman ako. Pero po, yung family ko po, lalo na po yung husband ko, siya yung number one na ako na, kaya mo yan. Kung kinaya nga ng iba, kaya mo yan. Mas kaya mo yan. Yun lang po yung sinasabi niya. Tsaka sabi niya sa akin, kung hindi ka man pumasa, hindi yan dinedefine or it doesn't define you as a person. Siguro talaga, kung hindi ibibigay sa'yo, hindi para sa'yo yan. Hindi ka for US. Nandito siguro sa Pilipinas ang career mo. Yun lang po. Yun yung lagi kong iniisip. Yun po yung nagbibigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob to face that fear or anxiety po. Pero sorry, nahiyak po talaga.
That's okay,
Mababaw ang
ma'am.
luha ko.
That's okay po, ma'am. It's the tears of joy po talaga. No?
Opo.
Parang dyan talaga lumalabas din yung mga, lalo na pag mga naalala natin, yung mga panahon na
Mm,
pinagdaanan talaga natin. It may not be easy. But
yes
again,
po.
darating din talaga tayo dun sa endpoint of success.
Opo.
But what changes did you make in your study habits or strategy during the second time around?
Mas naging mas focus po talaga ako. I see to it na natatapos ko yung isang system, nare-review ko po talaga siya. Kasi medyo maano po kasi yung eyes ko talaga. So, pag nagpapahinga po talaga ako. Kasi minsan po, di ba, ang lectures is actually 4 to 6 hours po. So, medyo matagal po talaga siya. At medyo draining din po talaga kung lalo na nasa work kami, pinagsasabay niyo po siya. At saka po, nung malapit ako ma-exam, everyday talaga po nagpa-practice ako ng 85 questions and up po talaga. That would really help po talaga para masanay kayo na magsagot ng questions. Nakatulong po siya sa akin. Yun po, sir.
Highly recommended talaga ang you word that, ma'am, no?
Apo.
Especially when you do your practice questions.
Yes po.
But for those students who haven't enrolled with our NCLEX online review and mentoring academy, we have our new system, which is the NGM portal.
Yeah. Opo.
Where, di ba? Where you can access po, similar to the NCLEX exam, more
Apo.
familiarized with the concept and the template of the questions. So were you
Yes po,
able to
sir.
utilize those, ma'am?
Yes po, nakapag-answer pa rin po ako nun ng ano. Sabi ko nga po, parang mas mahirap yata to sa yung world ah. Parang ano, parang ang baba ng assessment ko dito ah. Parang na, naman ako, na-anxiety na naman po ako. So, pero okay po siya. Kasi per system din po yun eh. So yun din po yung yung makakatulong po talaga. So, yun.
Yes. Because we don't just provide the lecture, ma'am, no. We want to enhance yung critical
Opo.
thinking skills natin and the clinical judgment. That's why we have drills on every lectures.
Yes po,
So that
tama po.
whenever you encounter difficult questions, you know how to strategize your test taking
Yes po.
skills. So, di ba? And you mentioned po about how you were studying during those times. Sabi niyo po, sa workplace kayo
Sa work lang po
nag-aaral
talaga ako.
100%.
Opo.
And
Monday to Friday lang po yan. Saturday, Sunday, actually, hindi po ako nakakapag-process. In Monday to Friday lang po. Kasi,
apart,
sa clinical trials po kasi, parang office po siya. Monday to Friday lang work mo. 8 to 5.
yeah.
Tapos po, Saturday, Sunday, resting.
Thank you for sharing that, ma'am, because I find it really no, parang that's really a great advantage on your
Opo.
part. But do you
Opo.
still study after work and do some practice questions or totally not at all?
Not at all po. So, wag niyo nga po akong gayahin eh. Dapat, ano eh. Kaso po kasi nga, minsan po, parang 6 hours na rin po ako sa work pag wala po talagang ginagawa, walang pasyente. So, parang drain na rin po yung utak ko na hindi na rin po ako nag-aaral sa bahay. So, para the next day na lang din po. Kasi medyo sabi nga nila po, di ba minsan may nababasa ko na 2 to 4 hours lang daw dapat yung, or yung kaya ng brain cells mo.
Yeah.
Kasi po, pag hindi na rin po kaya naman, parang wala na rin po papasok kasi parang sinasayang mo lang din yung oras mo. Parang hindi na po ano yung ano mo to study.
And how many months did you prepare, ma'am, for your online review? The moment
Parang
you enrolled po sa iPass.
November po kasi eh. So, November, yun po. November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Actually po, 7 months po actually yata yung nag-review ko sa iPass. Tapos, the rest po is nag-UBRAL na lang po ako. Nag-practice questions na lang po ako. Mga
Thank you for
ganun.
sharing that,
Opo, mga
Ma'am
ganun
Adela,
po.
kasi there are students po who will do their retake for the online review. At least
Mhm.
they will get some tips now on how many months can they still prepare for the second or third
Opo.
time around. At least may
Mga
interval
ganun
tayo,
po.
no? And that's enough talaga for you to pass the exam.
Feeling ko naman po, enough na po siya. Kung talaga pong, as in everyday kayo mag-aaral. Talagang dibdiban pag-aaral.
Mm. So far, ma'am, di ba, syempre, napagsasabay po natin ang work and study at the same time. How are you able to manage your stress po during those times and able to stay focused? Kung ito work, then biglang aral. Ang ganda ng shifting eh.
Kumakain. Pampatanggal ng stress. At saka yung mga papatagan ko ng stress din po yung family ko, yung workmates ko po, very supportive po talaga sila sa akin. Kasi pag halimbawa po may uutos sa akin, sige ma'am Adele, ako na bahala. Mga ganun ka
Ah,
yung mga workmates ko po. Sige ma'am, diyan ka na lang, ako na bahala. Ganun po sila sa work. So, sobrang thankful din po ako sa kanila. Supportive po talaga sila. Alam po rin kasi nila na second time ko na. So, ano din nila na, as in, mas super happy pa nga po sila sa akin nung nalaman nila
oh,
na pumasa na po ako. So, yun po. So, maganda rin po talaga na may support system ka po to manage your stress. Kasi kung mag-isa ka lang talaga, baka mabaliw ka po. Baka hindi ka na makapag-NCLEX. Pag ganun po, pag walang support system sa family or sa friends mo, or any po, kung sino man po, that would be a great help po in your NCLEX journey po na may support system ka to manage your stress.
yes. Most especially sa mga nag-aaral talaga mag-isa, no, who
Opo.
doesn't want to share na mag-exam talaga sila for NCLEX. We just have to parang find something to inspire yourself so that
Opo.
parang feel mo hindi ka nag-iisa and you have God
Yes po.
supporting you,
Opo.
cheering
At
for
saka
you
po,
na alam niya kaya niya to.
at saka siguro po sir, nagkaroon ka rin ng time para siguro pag napapagod, mag-take ng time to relax para po at least ma-replenish yung ano mo, yung or ma-ano ulit yung sarili mo to start again, to start anew again. Mas maging focus ka ulit.
And were there any challenges po that you faced during those times of review? And if meron po, would you able to share po?
Actually, yung challenge po is parang yung sarili ko lang din po. Parang minsan pag tinatamad ako. So, dapat talaga yung magpupush ba sa'yo? Hindi ko alam kasi hindi nila alam na nag-ano sa bahay. Hindi nila alam na pamilya ko, hindi nila alam na parang yung sarili ko lang po talaga inaano ko na. Or meron ka talaga yung goal mo talaga. Focus ka sa goal mo na this year, magiging USRN ka. I think yun po talaga yung pinaka-ano na magiging USRN na ngayong taon na to. Po yung biggest challenges na pag
That's
na ano na napapagod na, naiiyak
Mm.
ka na.
And it's really true, ma'am, no? When you manifest something, it will really happen. We have to parang remove our baggages and all, lalo na pa nag-aaral talaga tayo. Because when we think of negative things, talagang mahihirapan tayo to focus. So you need to know parang if it's time for work, it's for work. If it's time for
Na-absorb na.
studies, for study. Pero ang ganda ng shifting mo, ma'am. Probably maraming gumagawa rin talaga nito. So that's wonderful advice din, ma'am, no?
Opo.
Grab tayo ng mga support
Opo.
system na kaya natin and for sure, they will be able to support you. And
Opo.
how many months did you avail po? You will prior to your examination date. Marami po nagtatanong nito.
3 months po. Yung 3 months po yung kinuha. Na-utilize ko naman po siya. Actually, natapos ko po yung questions lahat yung 2,000 plus questions. Tapos inulit ko pa po
Wow.
siya. Actually, inulit ko pa po siya, yung mga incorrect questions ko, inulit ko po siya. Pero, nasa 1,700 plus po yung incorrect So, parang, di ko lang po siya natapos. Parang may mga 700, 800 pong natira. Pero, inulit ko po siya. Ganun kapraning.
I
Yun
think
po.
I
So,
understand, ma'am, no? Where you're coming
yun,
from. Kasi you
yun
want to
po.
make sure that this time will be your last time taking the
Yes po.
NCLEX. So
Sabi
I
ko po,
really
last na talaga.
understand the struggle.
Po, yun talaga po yung inano ko na sabi ko, last ko na to. Last ko na. Pero pag sinasabihan ako ng mga friends ko, sabi, hindi, okay lang yan. Kung hindi ka pumasa, may second chance. Kung hindi, may third chance pa, may fourth chance pa. Hindi, last ko na to. Last ko na talaga. Wala nang third, wala nang fourth. Second chance lang. Yun po. Pero hindi ko naman po inaano yung iba na mag third, fourth. Pero yun sa akin na po, based on my experience, inaano ko po yung sarili ko na sana, last ko na po ito, Lord. Kung ibibigay niyo po ay, I lift it up to you po, Lord. Ibigay niyo po, ipagkaloob niyo po sa akin. Yun po.
With spiritual guidance talaga, all
Opo.
things are possible. Lalo na pag
Yes po.
inuuna talaga natin si God.
Opo.
Not only parang asking God for anything, but you just have to thank Him for everything
Opo.
that you have. Hindi
Opo.
lang natin siya tatawagin, it's because we need to achieve for something.
Yes po.
Parang we also need guidance coming from him and thank him for another day
Yes
para
po. That's
matuto
really
ulit ng bagong lectures, magkaroon ng bagong chance to learn new things and be more parang na-explore pa natin yung mga bagay na kailangan pa natin gawin like mastering the concept and the
yes po.
test-taking strategies, ganyan. And for sure, ma'am, there will be times na you will get so emotionally drained and exhausted.
Mhm.
But how did you handle po those emotional and mental pressure for preparing the NCLEX?
Actually, I don't know po kung habang nag-age, parang natututunan ko na yung pressure ay parang, okay, I'll just stay calm. Parang hindi ko na siya pinapansin. So, ewan
Mm.
ko po kung habang tumatanda, matanda na yata ako, hindi ko na, pakialam na ako, parang, sige, okay lang yan. Hingang
Mhm.
malalim, kaya yan. Kaya na po ako lagi ngayon. Ganun yung naging kaya yan. Kaya yan, kaya mo yan, kaya yan. Ganun lang po lagi yung nasa mindset ko always. Parang hindi ko na pinipressure yung sarili ko kasi nga the test itself na parang pressure na po yun So parang
Mm.
ayoko nang dagdagan. Parang kung mape-pressure man ako, hinga lang po talaga ako na malalim, pipikit, or iiiyak ko siya, tapos okay na ulit ako. Parang nag-change lang, okay na ulit. Ganun lang po yung ko, sarili
Ay,
ko.
ma'am, because for this, no, you have to believe in yourself. Lalo na, for
Yes,
example, if it's not your first time, second time, I know your confidence level will lessen.
yes,
But again, it's important to acknowledge your strength. Then. For sure, everyone, again, deserves to have this international license. So all you have to do is to just reflect on what you have already achieved. Maybe at work, it may not be in the NCLEX at that moment, but like stepping stone for you to take the NCLEX, some small achievements po. Parang you have to list the skills and yung mga knowledge that you have gained along the way. At least it will help you to track your progress and your weaknesses. And from there, you're able to see your result from the time na when you're doing your practice questions. So that's a good mindset, Ma'am Adela. You just have to tell yourself, I have prepared well and I'm ready
yes,
for this. So these are the
yes, sir.
things that we need to have, especially when you are studying for NCLEX, because
Mhm.
we have to have this positive mindset. And remember, you are strong and you are capable to
Mhm.
pass this NCLEX. It's only a matter of how are we going to proceed with the lectures. Did you create
Mhm.
any study plan? How did you plan your practice questions? So focus on your progress because not everyone is perfect. We cannot perfect the exam, but at least we will learn from every small things, di ba?
And I believe po that parang it really depends on the person naman po. Parang taking one step at a time po. Not all naman po kasi can grasp a lot. So, one step at a time, it's okay. Kasi you cannot compare yourself to other people po.
Yes, that's
Yun
really
po.
true, ma'am. Don't compare yourself with others' achievement. Probably it's their time to pass the NCLEX. And for us, we just have to reflect on ourselves and assess ourselves what went wrong. At least you know what to do and what not to do on your next study plan. So that for the last time around, you'll be able to pass your NCLEX. So, ma'am, I
Yes,
just
po.
want to ask, Ma'am Adela, what was your routine 1 week prior to your examination day?
1 week prior to the exam, I just continue browsing the lectures po, the study notes po that I wrote po, and then actually po until the end po, I do practice questions po. Pero October 6, none at all. I just relax myself, my mind. I just prayed a lot, as in so many prayers that time po. And the only thing I did po before 1 week before the exam po. And then yun nga po, I went to the church 2 days before the exam. I really prayed hard for it. I really asked God for guidance po in my exam.
Thank you for sharing, ma'am. Kasi it's really important, no? For example, at least few days or a week prior to your examination, it's time for you to have your self-care na. Kasi you
Yes.
have prepared months, eh. Months of preparation for your for NCLEX review. At least give yourself this time around to have this prioritizing your physical health. Because we don't want to happen on the day of your exam, you will get sick or anything. But it's important to have at least get adequate sleep, get some massage if you really want to. So it's important also that you eat nutritious food all throughout your NCLEX preparation because we need to feed our brain, di ba? And on the day of your exam, Ma'am Adela, what surprised you most about the actual NCLEX exam without sharing kung ano yung lumabas?
Actually nga po, mas mahirap yung practice question dun sa portal. Dun sa exam ko, parang kinaya ko naman, I can answer the question po. Parang, actually, meron po ako na-encounter doon. As in, parang, po, medyo same po, pero not exactly. Kasi po, sinasabi naman po, hindi pa meron din nagsasabi na parang there are question na parang same but not actually the same.
Yes,
Para,
yes, yes.
yeah, parang iba lang po yung the approach of the question is different from the things that you reviewed po.
Mhm.
So, nakaka-surprise. Parang, pero I think parang when I was answering the questions ko, parang if I remember, I have 5 to 6 case study questions po. SATAS po, parang there are a lot of SATAS din. And then, my last question po is not a SATA. Kanya I was thinking nga, bakit namatay bakit nag-shut off yung computer ko, pero hindi
Ah,
naman siya SATA. It's a normal question po. So, yun lang po. Kaya po yan kung talagang bibigyan mo ng oras yung pag-aaral. You can do it. Just stay focused on your study. Kinig sa mga instructors, sa mga lectures, and then the best thing is also to pray. Laging, huwag natin kalimutan po si Lord. Kasi
there's
siya lang po talaga kaya sabi ko nga po sa isang verse na we have plans but the Lord determine our steps. Siya lang makakaalam kung saan po tutungo ang ating buhay.
I agree with you. There's really no actual talaga na lumalabas sa NCLEX exam because it is ano po, no? I never encounter or hearing from other students na there's really ano po, parang same questions. So it will be totally different because every one of us will encounter different questions talaga
Yes
on the
po.
day of our examination. So we just have to prepare ourselves, with the minimum and the maximum number that you will get on the day of your exam. Expect that you did not know everything. We just have to trust the
Yeah.
knowledge you have gained during your preparation period. I just want to ask, how did passing po the NCLEX has changed your life or your career?
It's really a big change po, or a big change for me. It's not that the world lang or the USR and then the per se the USR. Parang kasi po sa akin it's one of parang to redeem myself. Parang ganun yung feeling ko, thinking ko kasi nga this is my second take. So parang Lord, I redeem myself. I'm a USRN na. Parang sobrang grateful po talaga ako. Parang yun po yung pinaka-biggest ano ko. Na parang kailangan mo ibangon or itaas ang sarili mo. Parang yun po yung ano sa akin nung pagkakapasa ko nitong NCLEX nito. So, napaka-ano rin po, parang super proud po ang pamilya ko. Actually, hindi ko po siya
Oh.
sinasabi, nakapasa na ako. Yung husband ko lang po ang nag-send sa GC. Sabi ko, dapat di mo na sinabi. Yung husband ko po ang mas excited pa sa akin. So, that is napakasayang experience po and napaka-memorable for me. Parang one of the books po for me. Napaka buti po ni Lord this 2024. Actually, di ba po, I didn't pass the first take, November po yan. Ang lagi ko pong pinag-pray noon ay sana pumasa ako. Birthday gift mo na sa akin, Lord. Kasi November. Tapos ngayon naman po, hindi ko pinagdadasal na birthday gift ko. Tapos napakabait talaga ni Lord. In advance naman niya yung birthday gift niya para sa akin. So,
Oh.
so napaka-thankful po talaga ako. Kasi wala po akong masabi talaga. I'm so grateful po for all the people, lahat po, and for God for giving me the chance again to redeem myself and to be a USRN po.
And thank you for believing in yourself, ma'am. Most
Yes
especially.
po. Salamat din
Kasi
po.
it's
And thank you
hard.
for believing po sa akin.
We nurses are very resilient. With any challenges that we experience talaga, we will get back up from all of the challenges. And what will be your advice po, ma'am, for those students who are studying right now with their second attempt or third attempt?
Ito, stay focused lang po and laging kasi po yung isa pang nasa phone ko is laging meron ako dun sa baba na remember why you started. So, bakit ka ba nag-start ng journey na to? So, lagi ko po yung nababasa. Everyday ko nababasa. So, bakit nga ba? So, marami po tayong, iba-iba tayo ng reasons. So, always remember why you started this MPEX journey po. So, yun lang po yun yung
Oh,
lagi niyang tandaan kasi para saan nga ba yung NCLEX, di ba? Para sa pamilya, sa lahat, para sa sarili mo. So, yun yung maging goal mo para maging inspiration mo for you to pass the NCLEX. Gawin mo inspiration yun.
anything is possible as long as you believe in yourself
Yes,
that you're gonna pass the exam.
yes
We
po.
just have to manifest
Yes,
things. And
yes.
kung isa-summarize po natin, ma'am, yung naging NCLEX journey natin the last time around, ano po yung gusto niyo pong sabihin sa mga taong nanghihina po for this time?
Actually po yun nga po. Believe in yourself po and remember na maraming naniniwala sa So, kung hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, isipin mo na maraming naniniwala sa iyo at kaya mo yan. So, may kanya-kanya na tayong oras, kung hindi pa talaga oras. I mean, God has a purpose for you. You just have to take your time, believe in yourself, kaya mo yan. So, kung hindi man para sa'yo ngayon, some other time, ibibigay din ni Lord kung para sa'yo talaga yan. So, yun po.
Thank you, ma'am. That's really powerful po, no? You have to really trust yourself. Trust Him or God and trust yourself talaga. Because if you trust yourself talaga, hindi ka mahihirapan ma-achieve itong goal na to. By the way, ma'am, who was your coach po during that time?
Po si Coach Sarah po siya. Bagong coach ko po siya si Sir Paul Budlong. Yes po, tama. Thank you po
Coach
po
Sarah.
Sarah if you're watching.
And what was the best advice po that was given to you and that you applied po for the NCLEX preparation?
Parehas po kayo na maniwala ka talaga sa sarili mo. Kaya mo yan. Kung if there are any struggles, believe in yourself. At saka po, yung pag-review talaga, take time to review. And then parang, ang sabi niya po kasi sa akin is, if kung 10:45 yung exam mo, so parang i-practice mo yung sarili mo na you answer questions ng 10:45. So parang the date of the exam, you're prepared na nag-answer ka ng questions ng same question. Hindi naman na same questions. Parang ready ka as you're taking the exam na parang deja vu, parang nag-exam ka na rin, parang
Ah,
piniprepare mo yung sarili mo na ganun po. Yun po yung as in na parang trigger sa akin. So ginagawa ko po yun, parang ganun every time talaga nagpa-practice po ako ng questions po nun. Same time of the exam po. Yung scheduled time ko po.
and it becomes a habit po, no? The
Yes
moment
po.
you do your practice question at the same time kung anong oras yung examination day natin, you will have less anxiety, most
Yes
especially
po.
on the day for exam. Because the time is not different.
Yes po.
And
Parang na-mindset mo na kasi na parang gantong
yes.
exam ako. 10:40 pa mag-exam ako. So parang prepared na po. Mentally prepared ka and physically. prepared ka.
That's true. And physically prepared kasi if
Yes po.
otherwise, if you're doing your practice questions in the evening every day, but your examination date is in the morning, afternoon, probably there will be a change of mood, 'di ba?
Yes
So, thank you for sharing that, Ma'am Adela. It's
po.
really ano po, important din na mai-share 'yan. Ma'am, there was this student question po dito sa atin.
Yes
For
po.
sure, makakahingi po siya ng advice. His or her question is, can you advise how you study NCLEX? Kasi parang walang retention. So, how do you study na with retention po?
Think the best thing to have a retention din po is you're taking notes po. So, kasi po ako, pag po halimbawa, I write the lecture po or na notes po ako. Kung halimbawa po, ang naaalala ko, yung kung paano ko siya sinulat, as in kung paano ko siya sinulat, ganun ko siya naaalala. So parang ay, hindi ko lang
Nice.
alam kung ay weird ako or ganun ko po siya naaalala. Parang sa right corner ko siya sinulat, ganito yun eh, yung hypothyroidism, ganito yung, tas yung araw ko. So ganun po ako, yun yung study habit ko po. So I make it sure po na I do study notes po. So it will help you po. Tapos parang in easier din po siya, parang to look back para hindi mo na siya, as in the whole lecture pa, iba-browse mo
Mhm.
siya or papanoodin mo siya again the lecture. So, if you have notes po, so you can study parang in your own way po para to have a retention. Pero iba-iba po tayo eh. So, yun po yung one way ko lang to have a retention. Kasi pag maaalala ko siya, ganun ko parang kung anong ballpen yung sinulat ko, pati naaalala ko po yun eh. Ganung color, nilagyan ko ng highlight na yellow. Parang ganun ko po, nare-retain yung mga lectures po na nare-review ko po. That's how I study po. I don't know po. I hope po it will, ano din sa inyo, will fit to your study habits po. But that's the way I study po. I usually take down notes po. Kasi mas ano po ako doon, mas nare-retention ko talaga siya. Or sometimes po, I look back again to the lecture or to the study notes ko po. And then nire-recite ko po siya. So, parang maganda rin po siyang sa memory ko, actually po, hindi ako nire-recite ng verbally. Nire-recite ko siya sa brain ko mentally. So, parang hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, ano yung bini-breakdown ko po siya isa-isa sa isip ko kung
Yes.
ano yung symptoms, signs and symptoms. So, ganun ko po siya minsan inaano sa akin. So, pag nakakalimutan ko, parang susulat ko siya ulit. Tapos, balik ulit. Pero hindi ko siya verbally sinasabi kasi minsan sa work parang sinasabi, oh, nagsasalita ka na naman dyan. Ganun. So, parang sa, sa brain ko lang siya para ma-retain po siya sa akin. So, that's how I study po. So,
Thank
I
you for
hope
sharing, Ma'am
maka-help po.
Adela. Yes, there are
Yun po.
there are times no we really need to look back then on how comfortable we want to study for the NCLEX.
Okay.
And you just have to assess yourself now, what kind of learner are you? Are you a visual learner, auditory learner? Do you take down notes? Do you create your own flashcards?
Sorry, tamad po akong gumawa ng flashcard. So, hindi po ako maganon eh. So, mas sulat lang talaga ako kasi yun lang po
Yes.
talaga yung ko. So, there are a lot of ways po to retain the lectures po. So, sabi nga po ni Sir John, yun.
Thank you for sharing that, ma'am. Kasi 'di ba may iba no, hindi nagte-take down lectures. Talagang mentally lang talaga inaalala. But thank you for sharing that, ma'am. At least our student here at who's listening right now will be able to know how to retain memory for the NCLEX review. With that,
Yes po.
Ma'am Adela, we would like to present to you your
Yes
iPass
po.
certificate. This certificate is proudly presented to Adela Ore Ortiz for successfully passing the NCLEX RN examination. This serves as a proof that a successful candidate indicated in this certificate is a safe nurse based on the USA Standards of Nursing Practice, signed by Sir J. Padong and Sir Mark Zaspa. Congratulations, Mama Dela.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you po, iPass.
Mama Dela, do you have any message to your Health Carousel family?
To my healthcare carousel family po, first of all, thank you for believing in me, for giving me a chance na maging scholar po nila. So, it is a great privilege po talaga na I've been chosen po to be one of their scholars. Very thankful po for all the staff, for yung coaches, ay yung mentors ko din po doon. Thank you po for believing in me. Yun po yung unang-una kasi may naniwala sa akin, kaya naniwala po ako sa sarili ko ulit. So, thank you so much po for that. po, sir.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
po.
much for that wonderful message para sa Health Carousel family niyo, ma'am. For sure, they are really proud of your success.
Yes po, sir.
And how did iPass Online Review and Mentoring Academy help you achieve your American dream?
So, iPass family naman po, thank you so much po for all the lecturers po, sina Sir Jay po, lahat, all of them po, for their unwavering support po, for their tirelessly having lectures po with us. Very beneficial po talaga siya and very helpful po in order for us nurses po na, actually kasi ang tagal ko din po walang bedside, so para mag-grasp po yung concepts na madali in an easier way po to learn their concepts po. I'm very thankful for that, for giving us students po na makapag-aral or to make our learning or journey in NCLEX much more easier po. Na hindi siya magiging as in a burden for us but really very helpful for us po siya na, I mean, nag-enjoy ka, you're enjoying po while you're reviewing po. So parang hindi siya iniisip na, ay, may lecture na naman akong a-attendan. So parang every lecture po, medyo you're happy that you're reviewing po kasi they're really one of the best po na lecturers po to make your American dream come true po in order for you to pass the NCLEX.
Thank you for
Thank you po.
trusting iPass Online Review and Mentoring Academy po in helping you achieve your American dream, ma'am. Kasi it's really important, no? For you to succeed, you have to trust yourself first.
Yes.
So if you could go back po in time, no, and give yourself a piece of advice before starting your NCLEX journey, what would it be?
Remember kung ano yung goal mo kasi yun lang naman yung mag-trigger sa'yo kung what life for you is about. Parang kung ano talagang gusto mo. So, kung ano yung nasa puso mo, yun yung gawin mo. Parang yun yung, you only live once here in the earth. So, gawin mo yung kung anong gusto mo, kung ano magpapasaya sa'yo. And it all comes into place naman eh. Kung para sa'yo ang lahat.
Thank you for sharing, ma'am. One step at a time tayo.
Yes
And
po.
for sure, darating din talaga tayo dun sa goal natin.
Yes po.
We are so happy, Ma'am Adela, with your achievement. Congratulations din sa husband mo for being so supportive
Yes po.
all throughout your NCLEX journey. And
Yes.
remember, you passed with
iPass!
Yay! Thank you so much po, Ma'am Adela, for trusting iPass in helping you po with everything that you need to learn po for the NCLEX.
iPass processing me.